Good morning, guys. It is Memorial Day, and we're going to link up with my boy Cody, who was in the Army, and we're gonna do a little bike ride today, about 50 miles, and it's gonna be a day. It's not as nice as I would have expected or hoped for. I was hoping for some sun, but it's still pretty warm out, and it'll be nice. Let's get it. All right, guys. We're what? 15?
15 miles in.
We're here with Cody.
16 miles
Lifelong
in.
friend.
Hour, 8 minutes.
Hour, 8 minutes, 15 miles. Stopped at this monument. Pines Bridge Monument.
Memorial Day 2020.
2020. Gotta put it in pain. You know?
Doing a big ride. 40 miles total.
40 miles total.
40, 50. We'll see how we feel.
Yeah.
See how Ian's fucking knee holds up.
I'm hurting, guys. I ain't even gonna lie. I borrowed a bike. This shit ain't mine. So we're gonna get it done. Like I told him, I'm not quitting. I'll finish at 10 o'clock tonight if need be, you know?
That's it.
So.
Where are we now? We're in Yorktown.
Yeah, we're in Yorktown. We started in Brewster, New York, if you guys are familiar with the area.
Hopefully, I don't even know what's next, to be honest.
Yeah, I don't either. I've never been this far on the bike path.
Yeah.
I've been like 3 miles max. So this is a new test here.
This is it.
But it's a beautiful day. Couldn't ask for better. Overcast is actually a blessing. If it was sunny and hot, I'd probably be dead.
Yes.
You know? But
absolutely.
We're going to get you some POV shots. I'm going to put this mouthpiece in. Hopefully,
It's a mouthpiece?
yeah,
That's crazy.
It's for serving and shit. But
that's so sick.
yeah, we're going to get some shots, boys, and keep charging. You. $25. We made it. I made it.
25 miles.
My legs are about to fall off.
Planned for 40. We got 25 back for those who have fucking fallen.
There you go.
That's it. We're out here. I put this out to many people and only one fucking showed up. That shows something. He's got fucking heart.
You know?
We want to feel 5% of what those have felt that sacrificed everything. And we're not even at 1 fucking percent.
Not even.
We're fucking pushing. And
I'm
that's
here
it.
bitching about my leg. Half you guys would be home at mile 2 with this leg. I'm borrowing somebody else's bike. The circumstances aren't the best, but the circumstances aren't always the best.
That's it.
You know? You gotta adapt and execute. And that's the bottom line.
Good,
So,
how are you?
You guys should do something to honor the people who gave you a right to be free today. Don't just sit on your ass and drink beers and burgers.
And if you do drink a fucking beer, pour some on the ground so those motherfuckers in the ground can drink it.
There you go. You heard it there first. Stay hard, boys. We'll check back in sometime, hopefully. guys. So we're at phase line Bravo. This was our second checkpoint on the way out, and it is our second to last checkpoint on the way back. This is mile 35. I'm hurting. Cody advanced probably about 20 minutes ago. I'm trying to muster up the power to continue charging. I need to get something in me, in my belly, and carbs, and some electrolytes. I'm gonna take a few more minutes probably, and then I'm gonna get back after it, man. Gotta keep pushing, get this thing done. Oh, we're in pain. That's it, boys. That's 50. I can't believe that. I'm fucking exhausted. You have no clue how tired I am. My legs, my ass hurts so fucking bad. You have no clue. So that's it, boys. 50 miles, 25 one way, 25 back. I really can't believe I made it, because Lord knows I haven't been putting out in the last 5 months. So
Bro, I died. About 40 miles, my legs started cramping hard. And I was like, yo, we shouldn't have kept going to 25.
No, because we would have been done. You were like, oh, we should have been done right now. Nah, that shit was unreal, boys. Honestly, I can't wait to do it again. Gotta train up for it a little bit. Get a better bike, you know. But it's all love. See you.